So week 3, I feel like your hair is going to be itchy at this point. So this is what we're going to do. You're going to get your wipes. I think preferably you should use a baby wipes without any form of chemical. Let it just be plain wipes. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to get your clean wipes, like I said. Then go through your hair line by line to try to clean every build up, every dirt you have. See? So you're going to do this for your entire scalp. So this will help to reduce the itchiness you're having. So once you're done, this is what we're working with. You're going to get your aloe vera, like I said, just like this. I've removed the thorny side of the aloe vera. So I'm just going to open it. Guys, when you get your aloe vera, wash your aloe vera and soak it for like 20 minutes at least. So you can remove all the poison from aloe vera, else it's going to itch you. Yeah, like this. So I just want to bring out like the gel. I want to kind of bring the gel out, then I'm going to go through my entire scalp again with the aloe vera. Again, like I said, if you're someone that is allergic to aloe vera, you can skip the aloe vera part. Once you're done wiping your hair, just go in with your hair treatment. But I'm going to go through this line by line. Aloe vera is actually very, very good for dandruff. So it helps to treat dandruff and itchiness. So if you're someone that is prone to dandruff, this is actually a very good step. But if you don't like it, you can always skip this part if you're allergic to it. And if you're someone that doesn't like to leave aloe vera gel in their hair, you can apply this, then use your wipes to go over it after about 20 minutes. So you can allow your hair to soak in on the nutrients to do what it needs to do. Then you go in with your wipes again and wipe it off after about 20 minutes. But I like to leave mine as a leave-in. I use mine as a leave-in, so I'm just going to let it sit and then go in with all my treatment. Yeah, you're most likely going to have something like this, but you can easily fish it out. So once you're done applying the aloe vera, just going to massage it into your scalp. Yeah, you're going to make sure your entire hair is saturated with the aloe vera so it can do what it needs to do. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my flaxseed butter again. So I'm going to go through my hair line by line. This is also going to help with moisture, with all the good nutrients that flaxseed gel has. If you don't have this, you can always use your leave-in conditioner. You can use a good leave-in conditioner that you have. Again, we're going to give our scalp a good massage. Like I always say, if you have low porosity hair, then you know that you have to give your hair good massage so the product can actually penetrate into your hair, else it is just going to sit in your scalp and do nothing. You're not going to get the best out of everything. So you're going to have to massage the product into your hair. And if you do this right, you're not going to do much hair treatment the entire week. You're most likely going to do it like 2 to 3 times. But if you have high porosity hair, I would advise you do it at least 4 times because your hair cuticles are widely open. So yeah, you're likely going to do more than those with low porosity hair. So now I'm going to go in with my growth oil to seal in that moisture. Again, you're going to go through your entire scalp line by line. And when you're done, you're going to massage it. I'm still going to post the recipe for all these products. I am still going to post it. I am going to be posting the oil this week actually. I'm actually editing it. It's just not easy. I'm doing everything myself, so that's why it's taking me long. So yeah, I'm going to apply this much, then go through the entire hair again. Massage it into your hair properly, your edges, and you're good to go. The entire goal for this is to do less manipulation and not doing too much so our hair can breathe and actually grow. Because the problem with hair growth is not the product, it's actually retaining the length, and that is what we're trying to do. I don't know if you guys can see. This is my second week and I can see some growth already. My hair is already lifting. You're most likely not going to be able to see it, but I think it's going to be more obvious in the third and fourth week. So yeah, that's it on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.